I was used to like to train heavy. Wonder in العلاس بدن قاعد لكن هذا عرّنا دا يقدر ما تصيب قوي أنا من هنا. I just go very relaxed. But probably قاعدنا pre-workout كنا سوق خلاص يعني بعدين. The pre-workout قاعد feel like محل superhuman. Well, you never know. Beautiful والله. The weather is very nice. But بدنا من جوا من بعد. Alright.